how to fix CapCut can't render export video error. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if your videos won't export or render on CapCut. Stick with me till the end. I've got a simple fix that should get you back on track. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up CapCut. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner and click on the menu button. From there, go ahead and select Settings. Now, when the Settings window pops up, click on the tab that says Performance. You'll see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Make sure this box is unchecked. Yeah, I know it sounds like turning it off would make things slower, but in reality, this setting can actually cause issues if your graphics drivers aren't fully compatible. Once that's done, just hit Save at the bottom of the window. Now you're ready to try exporting again. Head back to Menu, go to File, and then click on Export. Choose the file name and the location where you want to save your video. After that, just hit the Export button and let it process. If everything went well, your video should now export without any issues. And that's it, super quick and easy fix. If this helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.